Hey guys, and welcome back to Raise Trains. Today's video is going to be fun. Got another building here. So, you guys know I have limited space for buildings on my little layout. We've already got the Oak Point nuclear plant from Menards. We've got the plug and play John Deere service station. And I had plans for two more big buildings. One is, I talked about in my last video, the Amtrak passenger station. And the fourth bigger building, I'm going to put littler stuff in there, but I really only had room for one more thing. And I wanted it to be a grain elevator with my farm background. But Lionel didn't really have a plug and play one. They had an older one. But as Joe told me, and he had some at the store actually, it was an older Lionel grain elevator. It won't fit with Fast Track, so that was out. And at York, I actually saw some really gorgeous ones. Very fancy, but those are really expensive. So I said, I'm not going to go that route for right now, but I wanted something quick that I could throw on there. So the grain elevator quickly turned into the Lionel plug and play lighted coaling station. There was one at Gersbowski's, and that was the closest thing to what I was looking for, something where I could run the Fast Track under. So grain elevator, coaling station, close enough. And I keep calling it plug and play. I don't know if Lionel changed the name or if I have been making that up this whole time, but it's plug expand play, not plug and play. I don't know if that's the way it's always been, but whatever. Let's check this thing out. I'm very excited about this because the layout's kind of coming together, other than it being on the floor still. But we're working on that. Well, let's see if I can open this without destroying it, as usual. Nice. I don't know how you guys feel about the plug expand play stuff. If it's too easy, I'm sure there's some real true modelers out there that are like, buy a Walters kit and build your own. And I may do that at some point. Right now, I'm just trying to catch up to everybody else, honestly. So, look at that. Very easy, as usual, to come out. We got the directions here. Maybe I'll look at that before I plug it in and blow something up. But here we go. So, look at this. Very nice. It's the Coal Country Mining Company. There you go. And it says, keeping your lights on since 1932. Very cool. And here's our plug expand play cord. I actually might have to replace one of my straights and put a piece of track that this will go into, because I don't think where I'm going to put this, I don't have a straight piece with the connection there, but I'll fix it. So yeah, very nice looking model. I mean, maybe could use a little weathering, but I think it looks great. And for the price, to get a model like this ready to go, I really like what Lionel's doing with the plug expand play stuff. So hopefully with my curve, because it's not a full 10-inch piece of track that this is going to go on. I hope it still works. This is my only coal hopper for right now. So I'm going to buy more, but should work. We're going to see. So what I will do is I'll turn you guys around. We'll get a close-up of it. And then I will try this out on the layout. We'll see if it works. All right, here we go. I did stick a little piece of fast track in there. It's actually pretty tight fit, so I may have to, because I only have a 5-inch piece where I was going to put this, I may have to extend it. I really don't want to make it the full 10 inches, but I have a couple of those little 1 3/4 ones. Maybe I'll make it a little bigger. But anyway, this model looks really good. I like the caution watch for trains right here. I guess when this thing lights up, you'll see it in every window. Like I said, there's the plug, expand, play cord, tucks nicely away in there. The only thing I noticed with these, I wish these were a little longer. Lionel really doesn't give you a lot of room, but of course they do sell like extension cords of this because they want you to buy more. Like the Menards one really is much longer, much nicer. These are really short, but I'm definitely going to need to get some extensions because they barely work with it just on the carpet. I don't know how it's going to work, running underneath the table. But anyway, very nice. Here's the keeping your lights on since 1932. I love it. Another caution watch for trains. The only thing that would make this better if it was operating. But oh, that's interesting. They have a little hole up here. Oh, you know what? I hope there's not something still in the box, like a chute to stick down from there. I have to look. It almost looks like there should be, unless just the light shines down from there. I'm not sure. I will look in the box because I already put that away. But yeah, very nice model for the price. Again, it's going to light right up when I hook it up to the fast track. So why don't we get this where I think it's going to go, and I will hook up an engine to that coal hopper, and we will see if it works. All right, guys, I'm definitely going to have to do some tweaking here. This is where I want it to go, and I can make it work. I just, it's going to have to be when I get this off the floor and on the table, because I needed way more straight track than just this one to make a train go in there because it didn't work. But now it'll work for the purposes of this video. And then I'll do a little tweaking with some fast track pieces when I get this on a real train table. But anyway, it looks good. The lighting is very subtle. I noticed that compared to the John Deere service station. It's definitely, it's more subtle. It's not, and I think it's supposed to be like that. So I really don't want to show you the back of what I had to do to get this to fit. So let me do a cut and I'll show you guys the other side. All right, so there's the Coal Country Mining Company. And you can see, looks nice. So what I've got is I've got my little John Deere GP38 because no other engine is going to work on this tight a curve. So, and I will hook it up to my coal hopper and we will pull under here and see how she looks. All right, guys, let's see how this works out. All right, so we can get it to work. All right, guys. So I can get it to work. Like I said, I just got to tweak it a little bit. But I will say one thing I noticed, there was no chute in the box. I don't like that. I don't know what they expect you to do there. I guess they want, I could make my own, obviously, but with this plug expand play, it's kind of all supposed to be there. I think Lionel could have included a little piece to, put there, but very small complaint. Overall, I really like the model. I'm excited to get this on an actual table, and I think this looks really nice with my power plant there. So definitely recommend it. This was, I want to say, $90 at Gersbowski's. Yeah, and they actually had a different variation of this. It might have been a Christmas one that you can check out, but go on their website because he's got a bunch of nice buildings there. But anyway, all right, guys, that's going to do it. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.